It thick like milk. This one if your guy dey drink am na so you go just dey comot na tap 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 tap. This banana mixed, the flavour come too much. The machine na this one very good. Guys, una know this one. This one I go take and make better use. These are the chaff. They hold this cup like this. Now wetin I use. This here. Thank you. Bye-bye. See. My people, now so this I say my make juice. I have pineapple, orange, clementine, banana, apple, guava. As I dey show na so I take and do am. As e dey show na so e dey play. As e dey play na so e dey show. No one leave another one behind. So my people, na my clementine be that, na orange be that. Now I say my show na all the showables, apple be that. So now waiting I take na banana be that. Now waiting I take, I make that my juice one see like that. If you get thick one, you go get. You know so why they do processing now. Light one go come, thick one go come. Now so even for processing for oil, you go get the light one, you go get the thick one at the end. So my people, that's juice processor of juice maker. As they hot now say they burn. I just say I just do my juice. As soon as I buy my juicer. I don't know how to call the name. That's why I just clean and they clean and they clean them. Guys, I just clean the orange. Look at. So the orange to get water. You get liquid too. Liquid too much for day. Better liquid test. Better one. Better one where you know they even talk and say it will just come. Do you understand? You will just talk and say it will just come. So my people, how are they? Happy weekend to each and everyone out there. If you get money, you will chop better thing. Money na water. Money fine oh. Person wey say money no fine na e sabi o, because me the way I dey see money na water. If you get am, enjoy am. No get am then you dey be stingy by yourself. E go worry you. If you get money, you dey stingy by yourself. Now you sabi, because better thing dey outside. So my brother, comot outside go hustle. Hustle. When you hustle, you go get money. The time in apple bed, add that one day. You get money, come and fix your bed there. If you get money, you go enjoy, my people. Money na water. Money na water. Pounds and dollars. As they do like this, now not some of they do like this, they sell them. People they do like this, they sell them. Processor. Process your juice on your juice maker. In your own house, if they do like this, your children they drink, you say they drink. The profit, oh, you know go they drink toxic juice. Go drink better one. Okay. There. I just dey brush my teeth now. Now small. Remember for una for me for post this video. At least wanna see wetin I do and wetin how that my juice maker why advertise am. How e dey do? Why I unbox am? How e dey make juice? Na very important thing. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Remain blessed. This is life is good. Life is good all the time. All the time, life is good. And my name is Quinta. Quinta Wine. I sell wine, I sell whiskey. I dey sell all things, even juice self I dey sell. But I know they sell that kind juice now. This one I dey eat am. I dey drink am. Nothing